Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to find counts for categorical variables in Python. So for those of you from the SQL world, it's a bit like the group by clause where you say group by a certain column name and it shows you the counts for those columns. Let's start. So, strong file. So I've got this file open here with me, and all I'm doing and I'll just take you through this. I've also uploaded this file to GitHub as well as the data set I'm using, so you can download the file as well as the data set and do the tutorial along with me. So I'm using the Titanic data set here, and in the first cell all I'm doing is I'm importing pandas and then I'm reading the file. So to execute a cell here, all you need to do is press shift and enter, and you can see it's moving on to the next. So what it's done is it's executed the particular cell, and then I can see what is in the data frame or DF that has stored the value. So if I do a shift enter, it will show me my data frame or my data set. So it's showing me passenger data, passenger class, name, gender, age, blah blah. So let's say I want to do a group by on maybe gender, sex. So I want to see how many males are there and how many females are there. All I need to do is say df. Df is the data frame dot column name, which is sex, dot value underscore counts. So if I go here and press shift enter, you can see it's giving me there are 266 males and there are 152 females. Similarly, let's say I can do a passenger class as well. In place of, let's say, sex, if I want to do passenger class, and I can do a count here, a quick one, and I could also do another count on maybe embarked or something else. So in this video we learned how to find the count of unique values for any given categorical variable. So let's say categorical variable has 10 distinct values. What's the count of each of those values in the data set? So we can use value counts for that. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.